Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to manage a clinic appointment system using Airtable, the 2025 version. First off, let's create our base. Click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. Name this new base Clinic Appointments. This is the foundation of your appointment system where all your data will be stored. Next up, let's create our first table. Click on the plus Add a Table button and name it Patients. Now, in this table, we'll add fields. These fields will include name, contact, email, address, and medical history. The reason we do this is to gather all necessary information about our patients in one place, making it easier to manage. Now that we've done that, let's create another table and call it Appointments. In this table, we'll add fields like patient name, doctor, date, time, and purpose of visit. This helps us because it allows us to keep track of all appointments, who they're with, when they're scheduled, and why they were made. Now let's link these tables. Click on the patient name field in the Appointments table and select the Link to Another Record option. Choose the Patients table. This is crucial as it connects the patient data to their respective appointments, ensuring accurate record keeping. Next, we're going to create a calendar view to visually manage the appointments. Click the Grid button on the top left, then select Calendar. This will display all the appointments in a calendar format, making it easy to see when appointments are scheduled and if there are any conflicts. Now, let's automate the system. Click the Automations button on the top right and create a new automation. For example, you can set up an automation to send an email reminder to patients a day before their appointment. Automations save time and reduce manual work, keeping your system efficient. Finally, use the Sharing button at the top right to share this base with your team. They can now view, edit, or comment on this base depending on the permissions you give them. Collaboration is key in managing a system as dynamic as a clinic appointment system. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a clinic appointment system in Airtable. It may seem like a lot at first, but once you get the hang of it, it'll streamline your clinic's operations and improve patient management. Until next time, keep organizing and streamlining.